Good morning. This is K. Sakti Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. And now I am going to talk about the environmental science and engineering paper. In that, I am going to take the topic called aquatic ecosystem. So, what is meant by an aquatic ecosystem? Aquatic ecosystems, it is deals with the biotic community present in the water bodies. Okay, so in terrestrial ecosystem, carbon dioxide and oxygen are present in the gaseous form, while in the case of aquatic ecosystem, these are available in the dissolved state. Depending upon the quality and nature of water, the aquatic ecosystem are categorized into freshwater ecosystem and marine ecosystem. So what is meant by a freshwater ecosystem? It is a fit to the drinking purposes, while in the case of marine ecosystem it is unfit for drinking purposes. So freshwater ecosystem covers 0.8% of the earth's surface and contain 0.009% of its total water. Freshwater ecosystem contain 41% of the world's known fish species. An aquatic ecosystem perform many important environmental functions. For example, they recycle nutrients, purify water, attenuate floods, recharge groundwater, and provide habitats for wildlife. Aquatic ecosystems are also used for human recreation and are very important to the tourism industry, especially in coastal region. There are three basic types of freshwater ecosystems: lentic, lotic, and wetlands. Lentic means slow moving water bodies, which includes ponds, pools, lakes. Lotic means rapidly moving water bodies. It includes streams and rivers. And wetlands means where the soil is saturated with the water or inundated for at least part of the time. So lakes and pond ecosystem. A pond is a place where living organisms not only live but interact with biotic and abiotic components. Ponds are often exposed to tremendous anthropogenic pressure, which significantly affect the system. Lakes are usually big standing freshwater bodies. They have shallow water zone like littoral zone, an open water zone where the effective penetration of solar light taking place called limnatic zone, and a deeper water zone where light penetration is negligible called profundal zone. You can see this is the various zones in the pond ecosystem. You can imagine for lake ecosystem also. So emerged plants, floating plants, and submerged plants, that is called littoral zone, where the effective penetration of light taking place. Whereas in the case of limnatic zone, there is no effective penetration of light is taking place, so that the probability of growing plants is 0 at the limnatic zone. It can be called another word is euphotic zone. So what is the biotic community present in the lake and pond ecosystem? Some of the submerged plants, amphibious microphytes like hydrilla, uticularia, those things are there as a producer organism. Consumer organism means some ciliates, flagellates, protozoas. The secondary organism, some insects and little fishes. Tertiary consumer means some big fishes. Whereas in decomposers, the microorganisms like bacteria and fungi and actinomycetes, and the abiotic components, which include some inorganic and organic substances dissolved in water. In addition, the minerals and dead organic matter also present. Thank you.